Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to sign in to your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already gone to perplexity.ai in case you have not do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to sign in. At the left corner of the screen, as you can see, there are a few buttons, namely Home to sign up. What you guys need to do is simply click on the sign in button right here in context that you want to sign in. If you want to create an account, simply hit on sign up. But for now, I'm just gonna click on sign in right here. Now it's gonna give me a few options by which I can sign in. Simply select the method by which you had signed up. In my case, I signed up using my email address, so I'm simply gonna enter it right here and just hit on continue with email. Well guys, that is it. As you can see, a sign in link has been sent to my email address. I'm gonna go check it right now. Well guys, this is the email I have received. Do note that you can sign in by simply clicking on the sign in button right here. Else, if you want to manually enter the code, just copy the code right here and paste it right here. You click on this button that says enter code manually and just paste the code. As you can see, once you enter the code, you will automatically be logged in to your Perplexity AI account. That's the gist of it guys. That's how you sign into Perplexity AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.